Welcome to the 6th episode on the series of CDP4 videos. Today I'm going to show you how to track the values of a parameter over time. So, first thing that we have to do is connect to a server. Then open a model. So we're going to open a model that we've been working with all this time. I'm going to represent the system engineering domain of expertise. I'm going to open the element definitions. And I'm also going to open up the dashboard. So what you can do with the dashboard is you can visualize how a value of a parameter changes over time. And this can actually help the team to converge to a solution. So imagine that we want to know what the total mass is of the satellite, which is always nice to keep track of because you want to at least make sure that it fits on the launcher and that you will get it into the right orbit. And in order to make sure that it doesn't keep on going up and up and up while you progress in your design, but that at one point it stabilizes, you can see, you can track it with the dashboard. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this mass parameter to the dashboard. So I'm going to drag and drop it on the dashboard. I'm going to give this little widget a name, and then it sort of shows me that the total mass is 0 kilograms, which of course we already knew. One of the things here you see is that today CDP4 doesn't know how much it changed from the previous value that it had, which of course makes sense because today it has the default value. Now, without going through a whole exercise on showing you how the total mass is computed, I'm just going to put in some numbers myself. Based on the amount of batteries that I have, which is 2. And remember, they each had a mass of 5 kilogram, and reaction wheel, which each has a mass of 6 kilogram. So 4 times 6, 24, plus 10 sounds like 34 to me. So I'm going to put in a manual value of 34. Remember, before this actually becomes available, I have to publish it, what we saw in the last video. So I'm going to do that as well. And now you see that also this has now changed to 34. So what you can see now is that before we were at 0, see 0, and now we are at 1. And at the bottom you can see all the revisions, and here you can see the values on the kilogram scale. The revisions show you how many changes have been made on the total data set. And here you see that at this revision, we changed it from 0 to 34. So now I'm going to make some changes. I'm going to say that my battery now has a mass of 6. And my reaction wheel has a mass of 10. So now I have to do some arithmetic again. So 4 times 10 is 40, plus 2 times 6 is 52, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to change this to 50, not the reaction wheel, change this to 52. And again, I'm going to publish this to make it available to the rest of the team. So you see here that these 3 values are now publishable. Once that is done, you see now that actually I was at 0, I went to 34, and then the next one is actually 52. And you can imagine that as time progresses, this will go up and down a little bit, and I now have this image that I can track throughout my study to make sure that my parameter values stay in check. Of course, I can refresh it, I can hide the chart. By double-clicking on it, I can open it again, I can copy the data to the clipboard so I can use it somewhere else, and I can also save the image so that I can use it in a report or during a presentation, etc. That's how easy it is to track the value of a parameter over time. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.